Guys, Andrew here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to install Notion Mailbox on your Windows PC. So as you can see here, guys, I'm on my Windows PC. You can use your Windows PC or laptop, doesn't matter. But once you sign into your Notion account, on the lower left hand side you will see that you can open up your mailbox. As you can see, once I hover over the icon, it says open my Notion mail. Now, if you're signing into this for the first time, you will need to give access to your account. So if you're using Gmail, continue with your Gmail, and you will see in a couple of seconds that it will sync all of your email. Now, once you sign into it, guys, and you have access to the mailbox, if you're using Google Chrome, you will see in the top where you have your address bar here. You can look towards the right hand side. Just beside you have your bookmark icon. You will see this little computer with a download arrow. You can click on that and you'll have the option to install it on your PC. Alternatively, you can go ahead and you can access your settings. So as you can see, if you find whether you're using Google Chrome or whichever, you want to click the option here in the upper right hand side where you have the three dots. It could be on the left hand side for other browsers, but you'll find all of these options here, and you want to go down to where it says cast, save and share, and you'll have the option to install mail as well. Once you click in that, you'll see it says install. Click and install. It's going to quickly install that on your PC for you, and as you can see, I'm right here, have it. So if I go ahead and let's say close it or minimize it, you can see that it's also on my desktop as well. If I go ahead and close it, for example, you see that I can open it directly from my desktop as well, and you can also pin it to your taskbar as well. So if I can right click, I can pin to taskbar, and I can even close it, and you can see I have it on my taskbar here. I can click on that, and it's going to allow me to access my Notion mailbox. And that's it, guys. That's how you can easily go ahead and install your Notion mailbox on your PC. Keep in mind that this is syncing all of your emails from your Google account. If you're using Google account, it's going to sync it. If you're using other account, it's going to sync those mails. So that's it. Very easy and very simple.